Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through a component that I built in Workshop plugin that lets you create a text that follows the cursor, and at the end you'll be able to grab it and customize it for your own projects. You can find the link for the file in the description. You can see as I move the cursor, component creates a text that follows it. And then letters start to fade out slowly, creating a gray trail behind the cursor. Let's see the component options. Of course, one of the first customizations that I could think of was the text. That's color, font, and size. Following options are more about the effect, like opacity, duration, fade speed, cursor sensitivity, letter and word spacing. Actually, let's make the right panel wider to see the whole option labels. Some of the options are suggested by the effect related ones, like blur and scale effects. Let's turn them both on and check the effect again. After turning both blur and scale effect, and we can see it adds a nice blur and scale down effect as letters fade out. Lastly, we also have a trail length option. Let's decrease it to the minimum value of 10. And also let's make text duration minimum and preview. Now we can see this works great if we need a more dynamic effect. Feel free to play around with the options and make the effect your own. There is plenty of room for creative tweaks and fun interactions. And that's a wrap. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.